Hi, I'm Mark Richardson. I'm with Hinton Buildings. Today we are doing an installation for the Zula solar fan. Stick with us and we'll show you the steps involved with it, and let us know if you have any questions. Something I do recommend doing is when you're doing this installation, make a template, because what that does is it helps you make sure that you've got enough clearance for your inside part to go in, and for your outer part that you've got enough area there to fit that in place. Next thing you want to do is you want to test fit this in there to make sure that your hole's large enough before you put the other next step on there. All right, looks like a good fit. All right. Just let that go right back there.
All black solar panel operating the 3 ventilation system. You got 2 fans blowing air into the building, 1 out, creating that air circulation. As soon as we turn the unit on, you can see the fans turning. Obviously, as it faces the sun, you can see more of the ventilation system operating.